Okay, so I think I went ahead and finished installing this, and it works now. Show you here. There's the antenna coming up. There it is, and it comes up and it comes down. Okay, so basically it's pretty straightforward. I actually had to take this whole fender off and remove this, and then there's a little drum that was there. And yeah, once you read the directions, it's pretty straightforward. In my case, once you pull out this stuff that's in there, it's supposed to match up the length that initially came with. If it doesn't match up, that means it broke off. So this was all in the drum, stuck, broken in multiple pieces. And you're gonna have to take that drum off and pull off all these little tiny parts. Once that's pulled off, put everything back in place, and it's good to go. So I noticed one thing, that once you kind of restring it back in, you have to push it a little harder, just so that it will initially catch. And I also noticed that there's a little bit of a little round nubby thing that's kind of stuck. You have to kind of push a little hard to get past it. My drum went down here and curled this way, so my teeth had to be facing that way. Initially when I pulled it out, the teeth was facing the other way. I tried it, didn't really catch, so I faced it the other way forward, and it finally, and the curve, I kind of bent a little bit so it curved, so that it kind of goes through and then catches and then curls around. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you get it done. Okay, thanks for watching. Link is in the description below if you want to get yourself a generic antenna.